Welcome back to My Window from Silver Moon Brewing. The good news is our John Hammerly didn't have to learn any scripted lines for his debut with the Triage Improv Group. The bad news? He had to make them up on the spot. Take a look.
That's right, so we went back to the focus group, said, what other job do you want to see on TV? And they gave me the white-collar job of?
Janitor.
Janitor. Yeah. To them, that's a white-collar job.
The Second City Improv Group out of Chicago has churned out countless stars over the years.
Hi, how you doing?
From Steve Carell.
You're down at the mall parking lot every night.
That is different. That is putting you through school.
To Tina Fey. And it has spawned improv comedy troupes from Berlin to Bend. That's right, Bend.
What are these guys doing to start their scene?
These guys are on a bridge in New Zealand about to jump off on a bungee cord.
Bungee jumping on a bridge, or off a bridge, I should say. All right, give 'em a hand.
They're members of Triage, Central Oregon's own improvisation troupe. And they've been thinking and acting and laughing on their feet together for years now.
Bridge about to do bungee jumping.
I am very comfortable getting up not knowing what I'm going to say because I know my team's got me.
I'm sorry, I'm a vegan.
And I've been on the streets.
All of the actors in Triage echo Rhonda's thoughts. In order to have the guts to step out on stage without having the faintest idea what's about to become their script, each person knows somebody else is ready to pick up the slack, if there is any.
Improv is a team event. Before we go on stage, what we say to each other is, I've got your back. Because one of the absolute important things in improv is, if you have a partner on stage, you can't just let that person, if they have nothing to say, then you've got to have their back. You've got to help them out.
Since the audience is, in truth, part of the improv group, Triage actors feed off their enthusiasm.
When the audience is just really cheering for us and when they're so playful and when we ask for a volunteer to come up on stage and people are jumping out of their seats before we even have to go and say, will you please come up here? It's just when they're ready to play right out of the box, then that's a really good night for us.
And Judy says one of the keys to success has to do with a little switch inside of your brain.
The secret to improv is turning off that little part in your brain that wants to tell you whether something is going to be a good or a bad answer or a good or a bad thing to do on stage. You have to shut that off, and anything you put out there, you put out like, yes, that's exactly what I meant to do.
Those words were still echoing inside of my head when Rhonda needed me to lend a hand. Actually, two.
Tell us what it's like to be on a nuclear submarine in charge of one of the most potent arsenals in the world.
Being on a nuclear submarine is very, very challenging. First, you have to go to university, study many, many years, maybe 10, 15, 20.
That's a long time to study.
Yes.